What a year it's been at Norton Healthcare, from breaking ground on a multi-million-dollar expansion and renovation project at one of our flagship facilities to renaming our children's hospital. Norton Healthcare stayed focused on growing our healthcare system while continuing to provide our community with quality patient care and service. Our growth has been focused with you in mind. Whether you're a patient, a family member of someone who has sought care at one of our facilities, or one of our more than 14,000 employees. Responding to the needs of our community is part of our founding mission and will continue to be part of our future.
Since the opening of the John N. Norton Memorial Infirmary in 1886, Norton Healthcare has grown to include 5 hospitals, 13 immediate care centers, and more than 250 locations throughout Kentucky and southern Indiana. We are the area's 3rd largest private employer with more than 14,000 employees and more than 850 medical providers. Our size allows us to provide more care to our community than any other healthcare system in the region. In fact, we had more than 2.5 million patient encounters in 2016, serving nearly 600,000 patients. Our footprint may be large, but our focus remains on you. An important part of our mission calls on us to provide service beyond our Norton walls. Norton Healthcare has generous charity guidelines and provided more than $155 million in community benefits in 2016. Our employees also give back outside of work. Many of our employees self-reported personal volunteer activities which totaled nearly 87,000 hours of service. I'd like you to meet Christy Ralston, Director of Workforce Development. Christy is a true servant leader.
Volunteering is a cornerstone of who I am as a person. I strongly believe that to those who much is given, much is expected. And volunteering is something that I started doing when I was a youth. My mom and dad told me how important it was as a person to give back to your community, and that I realized that part of being here on this earth means contributing to the good and the welfare of others.
We invite you to click through this report to our community to see what Norton Healthcare has done this past year to improve healthcare in our community. You'll notice the theme of change throughout the pages and stories. This was a year of change for the organization in more ways than one. Often healthcare changes you, whether it's through the concerns of a cancer diagnosis, the joy of welcoming a new baby, or anxiety over having a life-altering procedure. We want to change the way you view your healthcare by making it easier, friendlier, and safer. Thanks for taking the time to view this report and for allowing Norton Healthcare to be your healthcare provider of choice. We hope you enjoy learning more about Norton Healthcare.